Hey YouTube friends, good morning. Welcome to RK Treasure Center. My name is Roy, and I've got a couple of items that sold that I need to pull and send out in the mail. Today's Saturday, and normally I wouldn't pull packages to send out on Saturday, but our postal system hours are changing, and so I'm going to go ahead and pull a couple of items that I sold overnight. So, that's what I'm doing. So let's pull some orders. The first thing I'm pulling is back here in this corner, and you've seen these before if you watch my videos. These are some garden nets, and I got two of them going out. So let's get this set over here. All right. If like I said, if you watch my videos, you'll know these are retail arbitrage item. I picked up a while back. You can see the clearance stickers they had on them. They just kept dropping and reducing the prices down. But I picked them up and got these going out. Sold both of these to the same buyer. And sold them for $25.90 with free shipping. And these are lightweight. Both of these together will go out first class in a large poly bag. So, and yes, I will take the stickers off of these before I mail them out. Hey everyone, I just want to break into this video real quick. I want to give a shout out to a viewer that left me a comment on my last video, and I think that this person deserves a shout out because it was quite the comment. I really enjoyed it. It was very heartfelt, and I'll post it up here so you can read the comment along with me. But this person deserves a shout out, and I'm gonna read it off my phone. The person, and I hope you don't mind me saying your name, but I'm gonna tell you because I'm gonna show it, is Delilah Salis. Delilah says, "Hey amigo, so proud of you. I joined the RK groupies back in the 200 or 300s, and I'm sure that's because my last video I just put out, I just showed that I made 950 subscribers, and I'm getting close to that 1,000 mark." Anyway, she said, "So I feel like one of the seniors. Roy, never be concerned about having to put out a video daily, because I only put out usually about 2 videos a week, and I always thought that might be a concern." But she said, "What really makes the impact is the content. You always have good info, great teachings. I've learned so much from you, and so have others. That's why your channel is growing. Even though through this difficult time we're going through, the thrifting community is far by the most supportive and loving to each other. The community is amazing." Yes, it is. And she put that in bold, and I believe that. The reselling community is amazing, and just everybody that has to be a part of the reselling community is very amazing. I have met a lot of people and have got a lot of good friends by being a reseller and starting my YouTube channel. So yeah, the reselling community is quite amazing. She also says, "Tell your beautiful wife I said hello. She needs to show us her warm smile once in a while. God continue to bless you, your family, and a thriving business." Delilah, thank you so much for that wonderful comment. Like I said, that deserved a shout out. And to all the people out there that leave comments on my videos, I really appreciate them. And to everybody out there, you're so supportive. I said it in my last video, I'll say it again. It's very humbling, and it means a whole lot to me. That knowing that if I've got 950 subscribers, then it does tell me that what I'm putting out has to have some pretty good information. At least I like to think so. I hope so. And I hope it continues to grow, and I hope can continue to be able to put out good information. Anyway, before I get a tear in my eye from that comment, thanks to everybody out there, and let's get back to pulling more orders. All right, the next item I sold, I hope I can find it. I've had it for quite a while, and it's tucked way back in the back somewhere. Oh, it's gonna be, I don't even remember where I marked it at. It should be on this shelf, but let me go digging for it a little bit. All right, it took a little bit of digging. This is the next item going out. I'll go put it over here in the light where you can see a little bit better. All right, what this is a, what is this? This is like a little hors d'oeuvre tray or a little glass tray. It's got what they call the coin teardrop shape. It's an old vintage tray, and I can't remember who makes it, and I don't have it down on my listing, which is a bad thing. You should always put that down in your listings. But I don't have it in my listing. Anyway, I've had this and up for sale since I think around last July. So it's been up for about 8 months, 9 months now being listed. And I got a best offer of $9 plus shipping, and I took it. Alright, this next item I got going out is going to be down in here. And be very careful with this one. And this is it right here. Alright, so this is a Looney Tunes teapot. Take the lid off. Let me take this so you can see it. This is a Fiestaware teapot. You can see it says Fiestaware down there on the bottom. This is Sylvester and Tweety. It's a Christmas time teapot. I was going to get this listed before Christmas last year, and I didn't do it. So I went ahead and posted it and listed it, and I think I talked about it in maybe 2 or 3 videos ago, so it hadn't been listed very long. This is a really, really nice teapot. And since I'm going through all my unlisted inventory and trying to go through it and list as much as I can, I went ahead and posted it, put it up, and it sold for $40 plus the buyer paid the shipping. And the fourth item that sold overnight is going to be down around here, and I think it's going to be right back here. And this is it right here. This is a Ryobi flashlight. It's an 18-volt flashlight. It's brand new, still in the package. Again, one thing I mentioned in my last video was now's the time to go through all your junk drawers and closets and garages and all that, and go through and clear out items. Or if you have a bunch of unlisted inventory, you go through that. And if you've already gone through all your unlisted inventory and you're a reseller and you need to sell stuff, do things like this. This flashlight came with a set of drills and Ryobi drills and different things like that. Well, I never used the flashlight. I've got flashlights, so it's just been stuck in a bag and kept closed up by my toolbox. And I was going through and decided, well, why am I holding on to this kind of stuff? There's no sense in it. So since I don't use it, I could probably sell it. I took it and listed it, and it sold for $18 with free shipping. And it's going to go out first class. All right, just got back from dropping off those packages at the post office. While I was there, I received a message on eBay for an item that I have for sale, and it came across in Spanish. And I know a little bit of Spanish, but I'm not fluent in Spanish. So my question for you is, have you ever received a message in a different language, whether it's no matter where it is? And how did you solve that language barrier? The reason I was asking is because whenever I get a message in a different language, I always use Google Translate. And I thought I'd show you how that works. Okay, so I started recording and on the screen so you could see this. This is the message right up here at the top. And I made the screen a little bit smaller so that way it wouldn't show any of the buyer's information. But here's the message up here at the top, and it's in Spanish. And they were inquiring about the Berkley vertical fishing rod holders that I had for sale for $23.99. So all you have to do is, and you can do this on your phone too, is copy the message. Just copy it and go to your search engine, and I type in Google Translate, and it's right there. And Google Translate pops up. And this one's already set Spanish to English because that's the way that's the last language that I used. But if it comes up a different language, all you have to do is click on that little arrow, and you can go to whatever language you believe that it came from. So right here's the Spanish, and it goes Spanish and English. Or you can change it and go English to Spanish, which I'll show you in a second. All right, so I just paste this. Oops. I guess not very good at pasting. Let me copy that again. Copy. All right, there it is. Okay, so here's the message in Spanish, and there it is in English, so I can read it. So he said, "Greetings, the Berkeley brand fishing rod organizer that costs $23. You have it available now to buy. Thank you." And yes, I still had it for sale. So all I have to do is change this from English, where it said Spanish, and now this is Spanish, and I'm going to type in, "Yes, it is for sale. Thank you." Okay, so as you can see right here, I typed it in English, and right here it's in Spanish. So again, all I gotta do is copy it, and I'm not going to go to the message because I've already sent them a message, but then all you have to do is go to the messages and paste it and send it. And that's what we did when I was at the post office, and by the time I got home, I heard the cha-ching on the phone, and it was already sold. All right, so it stopped raining. It's still a little cloudy in the sky, and I'm just going to catch a breath of fresh air. This is a little short video. I hope you enjoy it. And if you like these kind of videos, then consider subscribing. Also, if there's anything in the videos you ever see or you like, be sure to leave a thumbs up and a comment. The thumbs up and comments really help. The thumbs up help the channel, and I like to respond to the comments. If you have any questions, ask me, leave it in a comment, and I'll tell you all about it. It's a little noisy with cars driving by. Birds are chirping in the air, and it's time to say goodbye. So all you resellers out there, find it, sell it, profit. Everyone else, take care and have a great day.